Another ride, another church, cycling battery here. Part of our pedal and pilgrimage. Dito tayo sa Santo Niño de Parañaque. Malapit lang po sa airport. By the way, shout out to Dave Mendoza. Siya yung nag-guide sa atin dito.
Morning, boss.
Yung makikita natin medyo made from pawid, sawali, and bamboo. Yung mga materials na ginamit dito. Established in 1995, so around 30 years. Ano nakatagal tong church na to. So, combination siya ng modern and native. So, yun. First time kong mag-try mag-add ng voice sa YouTube. So, I'm not yet familiar how to do this, but I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Once again, Cycling Battler here. Thank you.